Firebase tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To start, sign in to firebase.google.com. Click Get Started with a Firebase project. Enter your desired project name and complete the setup process. Once the project is created, connect it to your web app. Click this icon to register a web app. Then copy the Firebase configuration code. Next, open command prompt and install the Firebase SDK by running npm install Firebase. After installing, initialize Firebase in your code using initialize app Firebase config and save this in a file called firebase.js or firebaseconfig.js. Now, enable the necessary service. Go to the Firebase dashboard. Select Firestore Database and click Create Database. For authentication, go to the Authentication section and enable the email or password sign-in method. To save data in a Firestore, use Get Firestore and Add Doc to write documents into a collection. For deploying your web app, return to command prompt. First, install the Firebase CLI using npm install 𝗕𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗀 tools. Then, log in with Firebase login. Initialize your project locally by running Firebase init and selecting Hosting when prompted. Press N, then press Y to continue Firebase CLI login.